Yeah, it was quite a film. I understand it's become quite a box office success, and I am very happy for the cast and crew that their message about preserving history, because that's what the movie's about, was able to get out, educate people, and make a, pardon me, a damn good movie. But it was enormously difficult to watch. I was reduced to tears, not just because it was so disturbing, some of the scenes, but because I have a deep connection with this atrocity. And I have gone through quite the ringer, as you all know. And just watching these events unfold, seeing something come to life. You read about it, I've seen pictures about it, but I've never seen like a film adaptation dealing with the events and the atrocities. So seeing that come to life was truly disturbing. But it was a great educational tool, and I'm very happy for the filmmakers that this film is reaching so many audiences around the world.